Hi everyone. Today I would like to share with you what I have done, make a payment product page and make a payment, and how the payment process and transfer the money to the business bank account or to the personal bank account. I made this a proper page for product. I choose the product for solicitors, like divorce law for less than a year, divorce law for more than a year, and property law for buying and selling and renting a property. This is a 3 tab of product. I made it, and we can have go as many tab of product, and as well we can add many products. I'm gonna explain how I made this product and how I made the payment. So when I press on choose divorce law with £1,000, I press pay with card. Then here I'm gonna put my email address, 1165@yahoo.com, for example, and the card number is for the test. Okay, is this number 424242. This is for developer testing, and should be any 2021, and any number. I'm gonna say pay. After that it will be go, yes, successfully payment, you have paid, you have been charged £1,000. And then I create account here in Stripe. When I refresh it, okay, it shows me £1,000 paid to this person, pay me that in that time, the time and as well the day. I'm gonna explain what I did. Then I process my payment page and the product page. When we do process the payment page and the product page and the process of payment, we need to do many steps. The first, and many computer languages. We have to know knowledge about HTML5 to do the design, to do the layout of the payment and the product and payment, and as well we have to know some information about CSS3, and this is to style our product page and our payment page. And as well we need to know some JavaScript to scripting the payment. This one, the payment with card, to scripting that. And as well we need some PHP admin to connect it to the database and to the server of the payment to be transferred from the card and inserted to the business or the personal card. How we done that, I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna go with you step by step what I did to process the payment page, product page and payment page. The first of all, I make a payment PHP, like I can't create it as HTML or I can't create it as PHP. I used NetBeans. This tab to you can use Eclipse or any tab that any type of virtual machine that we're able to write PHP, HTML5, CSS3 and JavaScript. Through the NetBeans, I went to that new project, PHP application project. Then I press next, I type, then I save it in save a local drive. This is the first thing. And in fees and payment, PHP, when I create with PHP with HTML file, I create this page. My HTML file page should be to be able to create a product page should be include the link real style sheet. This is to restore or download the Bootstrap. So from the Bootstrap, I download the Bootstrap version 4.5.0. This is I downloaded from Google, because through the Bootstrap it will be help me to style that page as well, to make you show it as a payment and connect it with the payment, with the style of the proper style of payment. And as well, what I done, I create my own design style for the product, which is I called it payment css.css, and this is with CSS3 file. I will show you what this is, the file, separate file, and I added it through the link. I add this to be able to style mine as like that. What I did with the style, then after that I add the title, payment and fees, which should be shown in here. Okay, then what I did, I started my mine with this one with PHP. Through the PHP I made the computer to understand that the column numbers, the prices, the price ID and attribute ID, I create these things to show through the PHP, because the reason why I didn't use directly HTML5, I used PHP because these through the price ID and the attribute, from that it will be connected the price to the server to be able to handle the correct payment. When you press pay with card, they will take the correct amount here in the correct amount here in 3,000. It will be transferred to that payment here, and as well to be able connected to the server that taken from the person who paid the same amount exactly. So that's the reason why I used inside PHP. Then I used the variable price ID and attribute. I will show you this is a price is from where it's coming from price process that I created. So I create price process.php as a separately, which be include the price, which be the price area, that's one, and include the area, which is the first one, that and that, and I create the price, which be shown, and this is one, and as well in PHP, and features, which be include what the price and features, such as the description about the name of the product, such as description about the product, and everything we can put it here. That's what I create. I will go further in part 2. If you have, I will continue in part 2. Yeah, I will continue with the make a payment part 2, and if you have any questions, please put it in the comment. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for listening.